Good afternoon, student. Welcome to all of you in your biology online class in subject science. Student, as you know, there are two chapters. I think two chapters are reduced due to COVID-19 in session 2020 and 21. 2020 and 21. In this half yearly examination, only two chapters are coming in your half yearly examination. The fundamental unit of life, that is cell, and second is tissue. The reduced chapters are, you can write down in the first term, the improvement of food resources. Okay. And in the second term, diversity in living organism. In second term. So in the previous classes, I am starting the diversity in the living organism. Don't write anything about this chapter. Now I am going to continuously your revision work. So all of you get ready to write down some questions of chapter number first, that is cell. Okay, so I am going to revise once again your chapter number cell by giving some questions related to the chapter cell. You know, in the chapter cell, you have already learned about the first of all discovery of cell, introduction of the cell, and the various scientists who discovered the cell's organelles, and about the plant cell and animal cell, and what is the osmosis and what is the diffusion. I have already given you a homework that please make some question on the topic diffusion. Student, we will give you some question related to the topic diffusion and osmosis. So all of you get ready to write down some question which are 2 mark question. Class 9 science biology. Okay, review topic revision of chapter cell. Okay, chapter cell. 2 mark questions. Okay. Today I am explaining some theories which is based on the diffusion. You know, resin, when we put the resin in water, when we put the resin in salty water, when we put the resin in the sugar water, what will be happen? So student, first of all, absorption of resin increases with the 0 degree centigrade to 40 degree centigrade. Okay, you can write down. permeability of water ion increases. Write some tips, some extra words about the chapter cell. Some words are already forgotten when we explaining the particular topics. So write down some from okay. Suppose any student keep the resin in two beakers, that is A and B. Suppose A and B. This is water. This is resin. Okay. This is resin. RAISIN. Okay. Suppose in beaker first, the student keep the temperature 15 degrees centigrade and this is 14 degrees centigrade. What will be happen? According to this theory, in the beaker B resin swell up more in the comparison of beaker A because permeability of water increases with the increasing of temperature. So I think you have no doubt. Okay. Now I am giving a question. Write down with me. Five gram of resin. Question: 5 gram of RAISINS. 5 grams of resin were placed in distilled water. Distilled water. Okay. For 24 hours. Okay. The mass of water soaked resin. The mass of water SOAKE soaked RAISI resins was found to be 7 gram. Okay. This is the standard form of G. Don't put a dot or a M. G. Calculate the percentage of water absorbed by resin. Okay, so this is the one formula generally taken to solving this types of question. You know the final weight of the resin is 7 gram. Okay. That is the 5 gram resin were placed in distilled water for 24 hours. The mass of water soaked resin was found to be 7 gram. Calculate the percentage of absorbed by resin. So, final weight of RAISINS, that is W2 is equal to 7 gram. Initial weight of resin W1 is equal to 5 gram. Okay. So formula W2 minus W1 into, first of all, W1 into 100 upon W1 into 100. So 7 minus 5 upon 7 into 100 is equal to 7 minus 5 is equal to 2 upon 7 into 100. Okay, what will be happen? When you solve this, this will be 40%. Okay, this will be 40%. Answer. So you can write down this. So I hope student you are all understood about that. How can you calculate the mass percentage by resin absorbed water? So this is the formula. Okay, means initial weight and final weight after soak the resin, after soak the water by resin. Okay. Mass this is known as mass percentage of water, mass percentage of water absorbed by RAISINS. This is formula. Mass percentage of water. Okay. So, and student, I am asking a next question based on the temperature. Suppose a student puts 5 resin in 5 resin in 2 beaker A and beaker B. Beaker A contains distilled water and beaker B contains ice cold water. So what will be happen what will be happen? You know, student, increasing the temperature, the permeability of the water also increases. So in vehicle A, the resin will swell up fast as compared to the B, because B have the very low temperature, because they have cold ice water. So resin will not swell up properly. Okay. To complete this, so in some time the question is arises. Suppose, what is the percentage of water absorbed by the resin when a initial weight of 10 gram and final weight of resin is 15 gram? Doesn't matter the initial weight and final. So deduct the initial weight from the final weight upon the final weight into 100 and calculate them and find out the percentage. Okay. Now I am giving a next question. Suppose any student put a few resin in 100 ml of water. Write down question. A student put resins in 100 ml of water. Okay, the resin becomes swollen. SWOLLEN, swollen. After few hours. After a few hours. Okay. This is due to the process of student. This is the question in your half yearly examination. We can also ask this types of question in the by online classes. Okay. So you will click only the correct option. So what is the process? Name the process. The question is, student put resin in 100 ml of water and the resin becomes swollen up after a few hours. Okay. This is due to the process. Student know, student. When water come outside in the cell, this is known as end osmosis. This process is known as the end osmosis. ENDOMOSIS. When they shrink, means when they place in the hypertonic solution, means the salty water or sugar water, the water of the resin goes from their cell to the outside of the cell. This is called the exosmosis. When they are shrink. When swell up, this is endosmosis. Write down the answer. Okay. Student, in the chapter cell, I have discussed a topic, that is what is the division of labor. Division, division of labor. Means for the proper function of the cell, or smooth running of the society, smooth running of the cell, all the organs coordinate, coordinate. You know, their number of the cell organelles are found in cytoplasm as well as in the nucleoplasm. In the cytoplasm, the Golgi body, the mitochondria, and chloroplast, and so many Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, chloroplast, plastids are found. So, student, the protein synthesis by ribosomes, transport by endoplasmic reticulum, and control by nucleus. You know. So all organelles have their specific function. All organelles means protein synthesis by ribosomes. Suppose protein synthesis by ribosomes, transported by endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi body apparatus, okay, and controlled by nucleus. Suppose our body is controlled by our brain. Thinking, running, walking, reading, writing, jumping, eating, all is controlled by our brain. So the smooth functioning of the body, total body, is controlled by our different cells organelles. This is type of the work is called the division of labor. So each and every cell, whatever the unicellular or multicellular, both have the division of labor are found. Okay. So when in any exam, in the half yearly or yearly examination, the question arises in the question paper, or define the division of labor in the cell. So you can, I think you can describe this very well. Okay. Okay, student. And I want to give you some work about the cell organelles. Please do complete this. Okay. Endoplasmic reticulum. Write down endoplasmic reticulum. You will fill it mitochondria. This. Now you will fill this H. Plastids. And you will fill this. This is J. Okay. Student, I will give you this in your next online classes, because this is very long and branched structure. So I will give this exercise in your next online classes. Okay. So write down. Don't write this. Read about cell organelles. I will draw before the starting the topic. You will fill it. After 10 minutes, I will revise it, and you will compare your answer. Okay. Read about different cell organelles. Different. DIFFERENT. Okay. Homework. Write down this. Now your class is over. Thank you, student.